Join us in a world of magic, illusion, and adventure. Welcome to Wizard Quest, a mind-bending, interactive experience unlike anything else. Located in the heart of Wisconsin Dells, this 30,000 square foot fantasy realm is packed with hidden passages, secret challenges, and jaw-dropping artistry. Today, we're taking you inside to show you what makes this place so special. We'll give you tips to make the most of your visit, show you incredible handcrafted worlds, and of course, we'll do our best not to spoil too many surprises.
They found the treasure.
Because discovering them for yourself is half the fun. This unique LoveNesters adventure starts now. Wizard Quest first opened in the Dells in 2004, but in 2021, it was moved and rebuilt to be bigger and better than ever. Wizard Quest is open year-round, but be sure and check their website because the hours are limited during the off-season. Free parking is available behind the building, and we highly recommend leaving your coat, purses, bags in your vehicle or placing them in the on-site lockers. You will be doing a lot of moving and it can get a little warm. Tickets can be purchased on site. We did notice that you could save some money by bundling with the Ripley's Believe It or Not admission or through the Passport to Savings program in the Dells. At check-in, your group will be given an iPad and a UV flashlight. If traveling with a large group, you might want to break into smaller groups to make it easier for multiple people to participate. We highly recommend taking the time to listen to the tutorial and make sure you have a general idea of what you are doing before your 2-hour adventure begins.
Welcome back to LoveNesters. We are in the Wisconsin Dells about to conquer Wizard Quest.
This is like a role-play game, an adventure game, video game, except you're in the video, you're in the game.
Wow. And the funny thing is, we could hardly find a bathroom, so this is really going to be an adventure.
They promised they would send someone to find us if we don't come out of here in 2 hours. So there's 4 different realms. So it looks like there's the green. Here's the orange. Here's the purple realm that looks like it goes upstairs. And there's bathrooms in this blue area. We're gonna get started. Did you hit go?
Where's the go button?
I think we have to pick a quest here of where we want to start. Like, what quest do we want to do? So the easier ones are on this side, the harder ones are this way, and we can do multiple quests at a time. Here, pick the fish. He looks cute. Okay, I'm guessing if it's blue, it's gotta be water. Water's this way.
Oh my goodness, this is an underwater realm.
Whoa! My old high school girlfriend.
We're looking for something called Selkie.
So there's all of these mirrors in here that make it, look even bigger. The artistry in here is incredible. So we had to get help already.
5 minutes in.
Right.
That's okay. Once you get the hang of it, it'll come easier.
Okay.
But if you're looking for Selkie, it will be down in that direction. If you go all the way towards that wall, you're going to see a tablet.
They are so helpful here, but we are just dumb as stumps. We weren't even in the water, but there was a fish. I really thought we were in the water. Okay, so after being taken by the hand to our first thing to find. Trust us, we are not going to spoil this for you in this video because we will have done everything as backwards as possible.
We were so grateful to have this wizard available to help us, and we would encourage you not to stay on the struggle bus too long. Ask for help. Once you get the hang of what's going on, you won't need his help anymore, and you'll begin enjoying the game that much sooner.
It took us a few minutes, but you have to find the map. The map's going to help you.
Ha! I found that without the map. Here's the pawn shop, honey. Oh, I bet this is Swindly.
I am.
So are we looking for a seal skin to get back to that other guy? Oh, you gotta actually pull it and go down. We're failing at the staircase. Oh my gosh, this is creepy. There's something in here. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're not sure you're supposed to crawl under, but darn it, we're giving it a try. Hey, we actually got something right. If you're enjoying our adventures, we'd sure appreciate it if you'd give this video a thumbs up. It lets us know we're providing the kind of content that you like. And if you'd like to, subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost a thing.
What?
There are essentially 3 ways to experience Wizard Quest, allowing you to choose the adventure that suits you best. The first is by completing the quests using an iPad to interact with characters and elements within the realms. There are currently 16 quests of varying difficulty, with even more being added in 2025. Now, a recent addition is the treasure boxes. These are puzzle boxes that can be solved while sitting around a table. Completing these challenges earns you coins that can be used in the gift shop. This is a great way to enjoy Wizard Quest at a more relaxed pace. Now, of course, you're welcome to mix and match, solving puzzles, completing quests, and tackling treasure boxes all in one visit. If puzzles and quests aren't your thing, you can simply explore the realms at your own pace, taking in the stunning artistry and discovering hidden passageways. Each realm is filled with surprises, and will give you a small glimpse of what to expect.
Look under. There's so many different hidden places. Oh, what did you find, young lady?
There's a little hermit crab in here. This is really an immersive experience. They've got the sound and the lighting and just incredible decorations. I don't care how old you are, this is a beautiful place to come. Okay, well, we are now in the deep. Ooh, we're by the spiders. I think we're back in the fire realm. Right, there's a ladder in here. I'm going
Oh,
in.
careful, careful.
I'm going in.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Careful, careful.
I
Oh
think
my,
I need the iPad.
what's down there?
Oh my gosh, there's a treasure room. I found the treasure.
Oh my gosh, look at the treasure room.
What?
So some things are puzzles, and this one is actually a word game, or like a computer game that you have to play.
What do we
Gather as fast as you can before they see what you're doing. Don't hit anything red.
What a great adventure Wizard Quest has been.
This is really fun for all ages. Be prepared to crawl around, wear your old clothes. It's a great time.
It's a great puzzle for your mind.
We're gonna try air. From fire to air. Well, this is a great place to just sit down and relax.
Have some tea?
Have some tea.
Would you like some tea?
Sure. Whoa. Oh my gosh. All right, so this is the snack bar that you can find in the Earth realm. Not only is there a bathroom and snacks, but they will pause the quest for you so you can take a break if 2 hours is starting to feel like too much. All right, this is the part of the aviary we think. We're trying to get up higher.
Grab as many mushrooms as you can.
Only one way down. Oh, this is the map room. We found the map room.
So this is the air realm. Oh, look at that beautiful ship.
So part of what we want to do today is show you what Wizard Quest is like, but part of us just wants you to, we don't want to spoil it for you. We just want to show you the beauty of it, give you a taste of what it's like, and then you need to come here for yourself and do these adventures. Now, new in 2025, they are going to be having some new adventures based on your wizard level. If you find the secret door in the air area, I think we have found the slide. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, we are not gonna find each other. I told Jeff I would stay put, and I didn't. But look at this cool library. There are so many levels in here. It's over 30,000 square feet. Dark passages, narrow hallways, big labyrinth, and it's bigger than you think. Okay, this guy is obsessed with solving the quests. I mean, obsessed.
I solved 4 by myself already.
Oh, good for you.
One of the health benefits of Wizard Quest is it challenges your brain. And when you get to be an old guy like me, you need all the challenges you can so you can retain some mental capability. So here we go. First time.
I'm serious, we have been walking around in circles in here. Can we?
Okay, you're leading.
Oh my gosh. Well, I can see right there. Here we go. I made progress. Jeffy, I made progress.
Wait.
This way. This way.
Wow.
Oh my God.
I would not advise drinking before you come into Wizard Quest. What?
I don't know if this goes anywhere. Seriously, there's no knob. It's broken up.
Uh-oh.
My gosh.
We're trapped.
Oh, we are here in the Hall of Mirrors in Wizard Quest. Our time is about to run out and we are not sure how to escape this room.
Confused and lost. That should be the name of our YouTube channel.
That should be.
This has been so much fun. And as they say, time flies when you're having fun, and we are having a blast here at Wizard Quest. Highly recommend it. It's right in the heart of Wisconsin Dells. A lot of fun.
A lot of fun, and if you're looking for more fun to have in the Wisconsin Dells, check out one of our videos here.